Grammy, that is the fiberglass tape that they are putting in every edge and every joint of your ceiling. They're patching something, Gram. And this is the second bedroom, Gram. Okay, the second bedroom. Where if we are going to... Oh, your worker, Gram. Hello. Pasudla ko dong ha. That's exactly the fiberglass tape, Gram, that they put. Okay, this one is completely done, Gram. The second bedroom is 100% done. Okay? It's already finished here and repainted. The wall is already clean. And what they're working on right now, Gram, is the second bedroom. The second bedroom, Gram, and the master's bedroom. Now they're continuing to dig, Gram.